As glaciers move, glacial erosion processes take place, causing the glacier to transport huge amounts of material with them. The main erosive process of a glacier is called plucking. As the glacier moves along the valley, the ice melts slightly around the boulders before refreezing them. As the glacier moves in, the boulders are then ripped out of the ground. Any rocks and boulders embedded in the bottom and sides of the glacier became agents of the process of abrasion. These rocks grind against the bedrock and the rock faces of the glacier as it moves. Just like sandpaper, the grinding of rocks against the bedrock causes the wearing away of the landscape. These abrasion processes leave behind smooth polished surfaces. Sometimes these surfaces have scratches in them called striations that have been carved out by debris embedded in the base of the glacier. Another glacial erosion process is that of freezing and thawing. Water enters cracks in rock during the day. Overnight, temperatures plummet and the water freezes. When water freezes, it expands, placing pressure on the surrounding rock. Over time, this pressure in the rock causes it to crack and split. This process makes the rocks more vulnerable to being plucked by the glacier. Glaciers transport enormous quantities of debris. Most of the material is carried near the base of the glacier from where it was plucked. But glaciers also carry frost-shattered debris which has fallen from the valley walls onto the ice. It is easy to observe the debris being carried by glaciers. Over time, glaciers can transport debris long distances. Sometimes glaciers split at the end into smaller sections. This is called calving. These have potential to become icebergs if the glacier snout ends in the sea or in a glacial lake. An hour and a half walk to the Hooker Lake in the Mount Cook National Park will reward the hiker with views of the terminus of the Hooker Glacier. Calving is taking place here and numerous small icebergs float around the lake.